Oh my God, can we go there?
Go on.
I don't want, I'm shy. Lovey. 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 Can we? Hi guys. This belt is so different than the normal car. This is an abnormal car.
Very different.
Show me the belt. It's
What?
like the belt in the plane.
Seatbelt.
Set belt.
Right, I've got to say
Right.
something now.
Yeah.
Don't toss me when I'm driving.
Okay.
Don't distract me because it's not like driving that. This is very...
Okay. I will not talk to you.
This.
I will talk to myself only. Okay guys, it's my first time to ride this car. This classic car. This naughty car. This is her garage, the small one there. And the trees are so beautiful. We are going to the car meet, guys. This is a very small car. Davy, I'm not Davy. You are Davy.
Didn't say you, said the fella in the road.
Oh. Why Davy? Hey, beautiful, cute, small, tiny mirror, side mirror. And I like the color, guys. It's red.
Nice.
And bakit may susi ito? I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to the car.
But you get some plonkers trying to race me. They try it, they do it. Don't know why they do it, but they do. The thing is with this, you have to stop and go to first because there's no synchronous gear. If you don't do that, it crunches the gear.
Ah, yes. Ah, no.
Something to do with that.
One hour later.
Cars, what is written here? Cars left.
Oh.
Camper van.
Facing a different way today.
Beautiful car. Ah, so I have to put this one here. Ah, it's very cute. Arte-arte ng sasakyan na to. Ah, good. This is Billy's car, the Jaguar. There are some beautiful cars over there, but I cannot go there and take a video because I'm so shy. Maybe it's not allowed. And grabe, super ganda doon. No? May mga topless pa doon ng mga classic cars. Yeah.
I remember you saying it was
Yeah.
store, and now I know why. So I think
No, thank you. It's very beautiful, Lovey. It's very beautiful, your car. Why you open here?
So you can see the engine.
Oh, really?
That's what guys look for.
Oh, really?
When you see the engine, they go, wow, look at that.
Lovey, my yellow car there, over there.
Horrible, isn't it?
Isn't that nice? Is that beautiful? That car? Really?
Audi.
But I love that red car there, the topless car.
We'll have a look.
Is it allowed to take a video?
Of course.
Really?
Made up when you take pictures.
Huh?
People are made up when they take pictures of the cars.
Oh, look at this car. This one. But I love that one. Look, did you see? Yeah.
Alfa
This one, this
Romeo.
one, this one. Yeah, I know. It's very beautiful car. Beautiful. And this one too. Oh my God, this one, Lovey. What is this car?
Another Alfa Romeo. I don't know what model it is.
It's beautiful. It's very beautiful.
I do want to get myself a cup of tea.
Okay, go.
Sure you don't want one?
No, thank you.
If you want, you take videos and whatever you want. Made up.
I love it. That one is like a what do you call this car? The black one there over there.
What?
The black one there next to the
Grey.
white one.
Mini.
Yeah, I mean Mini Cooper.
Yeah, Mini.
Beautiful, yeah?
That's the thing.
Yeah, it's Mini Cooper. It's
I should
beautiful.
go and get a cup of tea.
Okay,
I know how to get through there.
come here. I don't want to stay here alone. Lovey. This is
Why are you whistling?
a sports car.
The what?
This one, the white one
That's
there.
only mate. The lad was showing to, that's it, Evolution.
Huh? It's like, you know, the movie cars. Yeah?
Evil.
Oh my God, dami mga gandang sakyan. Oh. Like a toy car. This one, is this one?
Yeah.
Yeah?
To buy one, but just put it in
Huh?
a unit and just keep it low man.
Why horrible, it's very beautiful.
Have the other one there.
Oh my God, can we go there?
Go on.
I don't want, I'm shy. Lovey. 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 Can we go there? Oh, okay.
It'll still be there when you come back.
Okay. Ganda. Oh my God, guys. Ang daming mga gandang sakyan dito. Mga mayaman. Kami lang mahirap dito. Ang yayaman nila. Ang gaganda ng mga sasakyan. Oh my God, this car. Hey! It's a beautiful car. Is this a camper van? Yeah. Beautiful camper van.
They're worth a lot of dust now then. Volkswagen camper.
Huh?
Volkswagen camper van, they're worth lots of money then, in that condition.
Oh my God, this black car.
So what?
This black car. Love it. Horse. Okay, let's go see the Mini Cooper. I don't like the color. Oh, Lovey, let's go there. Look, the small camper van, that van there. Huh?
Hey, that's fast.
There, the camper van. It's very cute. Yeah, it's very cute. Oh my God, this camper van, so cute.
In the 70s.
Huh?
I had one in the 70s.
You have one like this before? Oh, so beautiful, the camper van. So cute. Ang cute ng camper van niya. Oh my god. Oh my god, this car. I love the.
It's a new Ford something. Ford Performance or...
Nasa lupa na oh. Mahirap to.
Ford Revo. X2 Revo.
Nice that car. And your car. Yeah. Yeah. Ay. Hi. Going back home now, guys. Bye bye, cars.
Basilya ba? Hi.
TV.
Back to her garage now. The car. Back to the
Back
garage.
in for another year.
Back to the garage. Stay there for a year. Hiding again. Back to bed. Tulong na naman siya dyan.
Best Pop Remix in Western.
Still dark. It's okay. It's fine.
What?
It's fine.
Thank you guys for watching Pina's TV vlog.